So hi everyone, welcome back once again to daily job sharing series. Today I'm going to share you a couple of jobs which is having a lot of openings in the market, right? And guys, literally just try to apply for all these jobs because there's a lot of hiring which is ongoing in the market. Before that, this is a disclaimer, which means whatever job needs I'm going to say with you, just authenticate from your end because I don't want you to be a part of any scam, right? Now let's get started. So this is the first job opening that we have, which is for SAST and DAST in application security tester. This is 3 to 15 years of experience is required. It's a Bangalore or Chennai based role. Uh, Application security tester or AppSec engineer is the requirement. Key skills is they should have hands-on experience on application pen testing, vast optic knowledge, which is very compulsory. 30 Synic SAS tool knowledge, DAS tool knowledge, and secure code review, and all these things is required, right? There are key things that you are going to do, and this is the mail ID where you need to send your resume, right, guys? But this is a mail, so I highly recommend you to check once. Okay, is it genuine or not, and then apply, right? I'll always tell you to check the changes, right? Now, next opening is basically someone is signed for security analyst L1. So this is for freshers. Why this is for freshers? Because 1 to 2 years of experience is not something which you need to think a lot. Oh my god, I just forgot to say mention the link. So Red Ledge is the company name. Meanwhile, if you want email or something, just let me know in the comment box. Now the next opening is basically someone looking for talent individual to join the team. Work from Lucknow. This is a full-time job. L1, L2 is the responsibility. GRC analyst consultant, L2 is the opening, and this is mail ID on which you can send your resume. Meanwhile, if you're looking for a training or internship program on web application pen testing or SOC, you can check out these URLs, right? Because guys, this is really going to help you a lot, right? I highly recommend to check this one, right? Now, next one is basically opening in the Qatar. Yes, the place where the lot of bombing is going around. It's a pen testing again for freshers. Contact duration is 1 to 2 years of contract. Like you need to sit there for 1 to 2 years, and this is 3+ years of experience required. There are things you need to do, and the other what exactly they're looking for. This is a mail ID on which you can drop it, right? Now, next opening is basically in Noida location, application security. Experience is 2 years. Job description is this is what you can see. Aparna.malik@esec40.com is the mail on which you need to drop your resume, right? Now, the next opening, someone is hiring as Qualys. Experience is 3 to 5 years of experience required in penetration tester, IoT role, penetration tester, 1 to 3 years, 2 to 5 for business development representative, which is non cybersecurity. AI lead developer in 5 years, right? So these are the things they have. This is a contact number in case we're not getting a response. You can call them. This is the mail ID on which you can drop it. Now, the next opening is basically in code virus security. Oh, what's the name, guys? Code virus security. Anyways, they are looking for SOC Analyst L3, which is for the experience position. Linux administration L3, right? So you can send a resume on this mail ID. Parikshit Singh @codevirussec.in. It's a Mumbai-based role and full-time, right? Now, next opening is SOC Analyst immediate joining in Gurgaon, Haryana. It's something you can see here, a lot of things. Pause this video and watch in this mail ID on which you can drop your resume. Next opening is security operation analyst. This is a lot of things is getting hired. This is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume. You can pause this video and check out what exactly they're looking for. This is next opening. Someone is hiring for VAPT professional. This is project-based job. 5 to 10 years of experience required. So guys, if you're running any company something, then this is for you. You can approach them. This is mail ID on which you can drop a resume, and this is optional. A reactive sample VAPT report you need to send, right? Oh, all right, guys. This is what we have. You can join our Discord. This is training of internship program, web application pen testing, and this is for SOC. So that's what we have for today. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Jai Hind. Let's see you in the chat box.